Hello again. Welcome to the future of Microsoft, powered by AI. Imagine a world where reports, spreadsheets, presentations, emails, and complex analytics are all done in just seconds. Let's take a look at what your workday will look like very, very soon. Meet Microsoft Copilot, your new AI coworker, built right inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, and more. Instead of spending hours searching, formatting, analyzing data, or building formulas, you can now simply describe what you need. For example, you could just say, Copilot, analyze last month's restaurant sales and tell me what we should improve. And just like that, the AI instantly generates insights. Let's see it in action. Say you own a restaurant. You start with a messy list of data: menu item, price, cost, quantity sold, employee, and date. Now watch this. You simply prompt Copilot, build a business dashboard. Instantly, the AI creates a full breakdown, including profit margins, your best-selling menu items, revenue trends, employee performance, and even suggests price improvements. For instance, it might tell you that pizza generates the highest revenue, but burgers actually have the best profit margin. Then, it offers a suggestion. Consider promoting burgers during lunch hours. But AI doesn't just analyze the past, it predicts the future. You can ask forecasts next month's revenue. Excel will instantly generate predictions, highlight seasonal trends, and suggest ideal inventory levels. It might predict that, based on historical data, your pasta sales will increase by 18% next month. Now, imagine your entire company powered by this intelligence. The system automatically tracks your top-performing employees, best-selling products, slow-moving inventory, and customer trends. You might get an insight like, Sarah increased dessert sales by 32% this week, followed by a recommendation to train the rest of the team using Sarah's successful approach. And meetings will never be the same. In Microsoft Teams, Copilot automatically takes notes, summarizes discussions, creates tasks, and sends follow-up emails. All you have to do is say, Copilot, summarize today's meeting and create an action plan. And it's done. Need a presentation for that meeting? No problem. In PowerPoint, just prompt, create a presentation showing restaurant growth and recommendations. In seconds, you'll have slides with charts, key insights, professional design, and even talking points. You go from raw data to a polished executive-level presentation in a flash. It's important to understand that AI isn't here to replace people. It's here to remove the boring, repetitive work. This frees up humans to focus on what we do best: creativity, strategy, innovation, and building relationships. The future of work isn't human versus AI. It's human plus AI. Work that used to take hours now just takes a sentence. Soon, the most powerful employee in every company will be AI. The only question is, are you ready to work with it? Thanks for watching its step-by-step channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more on the future of technology. I see you soon.